So if you don't know, Google just launched 3 models right now, and these models are Gemini 3.6 Flash, Gemini 3.5 Flash-Lite, and 3.5 Flash-Cyber. We're expecting to Google launch the 3.5 Pro. I think it's delayed and they will launch it later. And this 3 model is just have a crazy benchmark. And as you can see, this is the benchmark here. 3.6 Flash is compared with 3.5 Flash and also 3.15 Pro. We can see that it's doing better in coding, machine learning, and also with the knowledge work and computer use using the 3.6 Flash here. And next we are having the benchmark comparison between 3.5 Flash, 3.5 Flash-Lite, GPT 5.1 mini and Claude. And as you can see also, the pricing is here extremely less. Just look at the input and output pricing, and its benchmark are so good on par with GPT 5.4 mini. And finally we have the Gemini 3.5 Flash-Cyber. As you can see, it's really doing good. As for the most preview, it's standing on par just behind GPT 5.5 Cyber in OpenAI agent. So now how you can try this model? If you go to your Google Gemini app with the free version, as you can see, this is the free version. You can see there's already added the 3.6 Flash and 3.5 Flash-Lite. If you go to this model section, you can use it right now for free. And also you can use this model on Google AI Studio. So if you come to this Google AI Studio and go to this model section, choose Gemini. If you scroll to the up, you can see Gemini 3.6 Flash New and Gemini 3.5 Flash-Lite. You can see all context length and input is 1.5 and output is 7.5. And the input in the Flash-Lite is 0.30 and output is 2.50. So not only it's cheap, it's also efficient when compared to the 3.5 Flash. So the 3.6 Flash is better than the previous 3.5 Flash-Lite, which is better at coding, knowledge work, and multimodal performance according to the artificial analysis index. And also this was the knowledge cutoff is March 2026 for both 3.5 Flash-Lite and 3.6 models. So it's just like 4 months ago, and that's really good thing. So it is the most cost effective model right now in Gemini. So let me know in the comment if you're going to use this Gemini 3.6 Flash, and if you found this video helpful, please check out my video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.